Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be unboxing this Apple Pencil. So this is the second generation. The first generation does work different and it looks different. Anyways, around the box there isn't that much information. There's a little bit of information on the bottom, but that's about it. Anyways, let's just open this up. So it does come sealed up, this type of plastic, and then if we open this up, we're gonna see the Apple Pencil in here. Let's just take all this out. This is an unboxing after all, so we have to see exactly what's inside the box. So you notice there's nothing else in there. And inside here, there's something else though. And inside here, there's no more. Other than that, we've got this right here. So this gives us some type of instructions of how to pair this up. It's extremely easy though. I will be doing a setup video for this, a manual, and also a review, so make sure to check those out if you guys want to see this Apple Pencil in action. So right now I've been looking around the box because with the first generation we've got a few extra tips with that, plus an adapter. Well, in this case we don't need an adapter, but we did get that with the other Apple Pencil, and with this one there's no replacement tips that comes with the second generation. I guess they didn't want to give those out. They'd rather you guys pay for them. Anyways, here's the Apple Pencil. Let's just take out the plastic, and here it is. So again, the Apple Pencil looks more squared in the pictures. I can tell you that it's all round up, and then this side, it's the flat side. So it's still good. If you compare that with the first generation is round all the way around. So it's good that they made this texture here, because that way you get a little bit of a better grip on it. It also looks like a matte finish, and the first generation had a shiny finish on it. Let's take a look at the tip itself, because there's no more to look at when we're taking a look at the actual unboxing, because there's nothing more in the box. So that's the tip. So I do want to mention that everything you're seeing right now is everything you get inside the box. I'm very, very disappointed they didn't include the replacement tips like they used to with the first generation. Now I do have a video that shows you exactly how to set this up, plus a manual for it, so make sure to check that out. As far as this unboxing goes, well, there's not much more to show, but that's really about it when it comes down to this Apple Pencil. There's nothing more I can show you, so this will be an extremely quick unboxing for sure. But anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.